So what are you making to eat?
Well, I want to cut off this thing and put it on my shoes.
And glue it to your shoe because your shoe is wearing off? You're like Andre Agassi with tennis balls. He used to glue tennis. Agassi's dad would glue old tennis balls to his shoes where they were wearing out. And Agassi at 10, 12 years old, I played tennis all day and I'd go to school with tennis balls on my feet. Kids would look at me. He's gonna cut his finger and never play tennis again. He's gonna put it on there like this. And like this. I can see that. That's why you're putting more on there.
Exactly.
So what are you gonna? You'll put it on this shoe?
Yes.
Like in here?
Like here, I guess. Yes.
You need scissors to cut it perfect.
No, I don't need it perfect.
You just do it like that. That doesn't bother you. I guess when you can't run, it doesn't matter anyways. Is it Gorilla Super Glue? Yeah, if you do it inside that crevice, I think you'll be good. This is how to make your shoes last twice as long. It dries quick.
Yeah, pretty fast.
That'll be touching the court instead of the rest of the shoe. So it's going to wear that area first.